Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. It's Bhushan here from Gadgets and More. And if you're not liked and subscribed the channel, please subscribe and push the bell notification to get the further updates. So today I have here with me the Mi Band 3. That's the latest fitness band by Mi and launched day before yesterday on Amazon for 1,999. And I could not resist to buy one for myself. I had the Mi Band 2 and that was a great device. It's a great fitness tracker at budget price. And providing much of the notifications on screen as well. So let's see what Mi Band 3 has in store for us. So let's just quickly unbox the same. The packaging, let's keep this all things aside. You see the packaging is pretty neat. It comes in a box with a visible plastic case about the same. I'll just quickly unwrap this thing as well. Okay, so you can have a look. Comes like this with a transparent plastic casing on the front, and that sits the band inside. So let me just quickly open this up for you. First of all, I'll just check. It's a black in color. Actually, I wanted to order a red band, but then it's not in stock yet, and I'll probably buy a red band afterwards. And you can always swap the fitness band with the fitness tracker. So just unbox the thing. We have this pull icon over here. You can just pull the tape and voila. It looks amazing. Right. Let's see. Okay, so in this we got the fitness band itself. You notice it has got a heart rate monitor sensor behind the same. So it works like a Mi watch which used to come, the Mi Amaze Beat. Yeah. So almost the same. I'll just keep this aside for now. And you get this rubber band you can wear. The quality of the band is amazing. Even in the Mi Band 2 the quality was almost the same. And I've got the HRX edition over there, but this is not HRX edition. You can see it's pure Mi. Then you get the user manual. Nobody reads that, but you can do it. And that was the charging device. It's same as the Mi Band 2. USB cable which you can plug in any of the output, and you can just connect the Mi Band over there. So that's all in the box. I'll just keep the box aside and let me just check the back. And I just have to push it behind. Yes. So when you push this thing behind, you see the cardboard itself rolls itself. So that's a nice touch by Mi. And also you get this little plastic sponge type of thing over here when you are open the case. So that's fine. And there's the band itself. If you can see, it has like a gap in between to stick in the band. That's a nice touch by Mi, and it also is a waterproof device. You can take it for swimming as well. So I'm keen and eager on testing the same. So let's just remove the plastic about the same. I am highly doubting it will get scratches after the usage, and I will keep you posted about the same. So I'll just try starting it. I'm not sure whether it will begin or not because its battery is completely dead. So what I'll do is I'll keep it for charging for some time, and this is how you put it in the charger. It's much easier than Mi Band 2 which I had. I was literally struggling to put it and match the terminals and get it for charging, but then it's much easier, and thanks Mi for that. I'll shortly continue again once let me get the device charged and ready for usage. So friends, I'm back and just charged this thing to start it and connect it to the device as of now. So I'll just put this band in the hardware inside the band. So I'll just show you how it looks like after that, and you just have to click over here. So as you can see, I'll have to pair it with the phone. So I'll just open up the application called Mi Fit. So you have to put this application in your phone. It is for Apple as well as for Android. Supports better on Android though. And I'll add the device. I'll click on band over here. Click on OK. Search for the band and just check. Find device. Yeah, so you get the tap to connect button over here. So you have to just click this thing, and I guess it's done. Yeah, it's paired. So it's pairing, as you can see. It's very easy to connect the band to the phone, and now it's started. Okay, and it's just pairing over here as well. So that's done, and it's showing me 10% battery left, so quickly charge your band. So I'll have to do that. Got it. Then it shows how to use the device, and that's pretty neat and easy as well. So let's just shut this thing down, and I'll just show you how to use the user interface. Is very easy and convenient. You can see the time and steps over here. Just swipe down if you can see only the steps over here, and you can see the kilometers covered, calories burned, and the battery status, which is 2% right now because I have not charged this thing. So, okay, so back to the main menu, click on the button over here, and you go back to the main menu and swipe down heart rate. This is something new which was not on my Mi Band 2 HRX edition, and this is also pretty neat. You just have to wear this thing on your hand like this. Alright, and then you just have to click on the you go on the heart rate and click this button over here, and it will start measuring the heartbeats. It will take a minute. It takes a minute to measure heartbeats. So let's just see how much is my beats per minute. Yeah, it's coming 80 beats per minute right now. So basically I'm resting right now and just making a video, so that's why it's showing me 80 beats per minute. And then you can see the weather notification over here. It's connected to your phone, so it will show you the current weather, and tomorrow as well. You can see the whole weather for whole week, like over here. No, for 3 days basically. So today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Okay, you get notifications over here. So in case you receive a WhatsApp message over here, you get the whole thing displayed over here, so you can just read the thing. Alright, so my wrist is like hurting right now, so I'll just remove this thing once again so I can display it better. Alright, so that's done, and that's something called as more over here. So you can just go with stopwatch. You can keep this band on silent if you want. It will stop vibrating. You can find the device. Okay, so you have kept the phone somewhere and you are searching for this, and you can just click over here and it starts beeping up. So unless you unlock the phone, this thing won't go over here. So you just have to unlock the phone, and that's done. So that's a convenient thing, and you just have to click it again. And screen, you get multiple screens to choose from. So I'll just show you the screens which are available as of now. Just click on this thing. Wait, how do I use this thing? I'm not sure. Okay, I have to press and hold this thing, and you get the display interface like this if you want, or you can keep with the footsteps, or you can keep this way. So I prefer to keep it like the footsteps, which I've kept already. This. So conclusion being, this is a great device for 1999, much better than Mi Band 2. This was a great device as well, but then looks wise it looks more premium in hand, and due to the glass curve effect which is given over here. So keep watching, do subscribe, and kudos.